Ever wonder why we say bless you after someone sneezes? There are several theories, but the most likely is that in ancient times, it was widely believed that when you sneezed, your soul left your body momentarily, making the sneezer vulnerable to evil spirits. Another theory came from Pope Gregory I, who invited people to say God bless you after people sneezed as a way to ward off the bubonic plague. There was even a time when people believed that sneezing caused your heart to stop for a moment, and saying bless you was a mini prayer that their heart would start again. Like and follow EverWonderWhy for more.